In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this message on the lock screen that says press Ctrl+Alt+Delete to unlock, and you want to get rid of that, you want to disable this, here's how you can do this. So first of all, what we need to do is just press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and just simply enter your password. After that, just hit Windows+R on your keyboard or just search for run command on the start menu, and right here netpl-viz, enter, and it will take you to the user command section, user account section. From here you click on the advanced tab, and at the bottom it says required users to press Ctrl+Alt+Delete. All you have to do is just to uncheck this and click on apply and OK. And after that, whenever you lock this computer, you shouldn't see that Ctrl+Alt+Delete option to sign in. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.